Hello, good morning, all. So, how have you been? I hope you must have gone through my previous video on giving some me time to yourself. And I think you all must have thought of some, activity what you want to do during that time. If you have not done that, still that's fine. We can take it slowly. But today I am going to share something from my experience so that you will know why I am, sharing these videos, what was the motive behind it. So to start with, let me tell you something about myself. I have got 10 plus years of experience in software, IT field, and I'm still working, being a mother of 6-year-old. So what happened, why this healthy lifestyle we all need to follow? It's the priority which we have to follow. And why so? Because during my early years of my career, I was very active. I was into many things, cultural activities, I was into yoga, everything I was doing. But slowly, when the work pressure is more, आपके पास बहुत सारा काम आता है, ऑफिस का काम, and you cannot it's hard to juggle between your office, your home, taking care of family, especially when you are a mother. So juggling between these tasks takes a lot. Okay, so somewhere we forget ourselves, हम लोग अपने आप को भूल जाते हैं, and we concentrate on our family, on our priorities, and जो थोड़ा बहुत ऑफिस के बाद टाइम बच जाता है, या फिर उल्टा, office after spending the time at our home, priority to our child, then we give the time to the rest of the time to our work to compensate कि ठीक है ये टाइम मैंने इधर दे दिया तो let me compensate, तो ये मैं extra hours अपने काम को दे देती हूँ. तो actually these are few of the things which I noticed in myself, you can say, which is not good. Always your health should be priority. So first thing, you have to have an hour, minimum 1 hour for yourself. But yeah, you can start with 10 minutes, and gradually you can take it to half an hour and then 1 hour. But 1 hour max every day you have to have for yourself, where you are doing something for your body, for your mind. You are doing some exercise, whether it be gym, you are walking, you are jogging, or you are doing some dance, as I have started also some classical dance, which I am doing, which is my hobby, so which I love to do, so that also have started. So like this, you have to prioritize your health first, and you have to give time to yourself. Only then you can take care of the family, and then you can take care of your work, or professionally you can grow. So what happened, I'll tell you, like 2-3 years back, I was into work, I couldn't move, I was sitting continuous 9 hours, I was doing the work, and when I get up I used to do home chores, and then just end my day and just go to sleep. And again early the next day early morning I used to get up and same things, office work and then home and then again. So this continued, and I noticed somewhere my spine, my neck, I was having neck issues, I was having these sensations in my thumb, left hand thumb, the whole hand, it was just it was numb. लाइक हम बोलते हैं ना हाथ सो जाता है, तो वो सो गया था मेरा लेफ्ट थम. इट वाज लाइक आई कुड फील द नमनेस थ्रू आउट द डे. ऐसा नहीं था वो थोड़े टाइम के लिए, वो थ्रू आउट द डे था. तो व्हाट हैपेंड, आई गॉट माई सेल्फ चेकड अप. तो पता चला कि इट्स ड्यू टू माई पोस्चर, लॉन्ग सिटिंग आवर्स. तो जो नेक का एक नर्व होता है, दैट इज़ उसकी वजह से ये हो रहा है। तो उसके बाद आई हैड टू स्टार्ट विथ फिजियोथेरेपी, डेली स्ट्रेचिंग ऑफ माई नेक, यू नो। तो ऐसा हुआ। उसके बाद लकीली आई गॉट myself registered in Zumba, you know, in our society. I used to have Zumba almost 3 days a week. I used to go to, but first I started with yoga. Okay, so once I recovered, like, because you have to take rest, you have to take medications, you have to do physiotherapy, so almost, I would say, almost it took me 6 months around to recover. But after that also, you know, every year after 6 months I get this neck issue and I get the physiotherapy done, okay, for myself. So but now, you know, even after that I have become somewhat consistent, I would say. Not 100%, but somewhat consistent. I am taking yoga seriously, I am taking my physical fitness seriously, and now I can say, you know, from past more than 6 months I haven't got any neck issues, you know. More than 1 year, you can also say, I haven't got neck issues. So this is just a reminder to those people in those early years or mid years, who, like 5 to 8 years, who are just, you know, only juggling between their task and their home and not taking out time for themselves. Please, this is just you know, an experience I wanted to share with you all, so that you don't suffer what I have suffered earlier. And really it was very painful, you know, and I needed help from my family. So but yeah, now it's much better, and so daily consistent I am giving that myself time for myself, where I'm doing, you know, I'm doing yoga. Earlier I started with, as I said, Zumba, which also, you know, I lost almost 6 kgs in 4 months. So it was an achievement. I didn't want to lose any weight, you know, without any diet, proper diet following, because I'm taking the home food, only home cooked food. But Zumba was, you know, a turning point where I lost weight, and after that I decided, yes, this is what I want to, you know, I want to see myself like this, not something, you know, just sitting like a potato couch, sitting like, you know, and just doing nothing, and nothing for my body, actually doing nothing for my body. But now I have realized that it's very, very priority, which we all have to do for ourselves. Okay, so always just take care of yourself, take care of your health, so that you don't suffer, you know, what I have gone through. That's why, you know, after taking, now let me tell you my routine. Okay, especially the early morning routine is, I go for the brisk walk, as I said, every morning, you know, and it's like, you know, almost 3 kilometers something I do, usually 3 or more, but minimum 3 I try for myself. So 3 kilometers brisk walk, what I try to do every day. And then, you know, I do yoga, 1 hour yoga, almost 4 days a week I try to do, you know, 4 days a week. So, and good food is also necessary, you know, healthy food, what I mean to say. So, and eat only when you feel hungry. This is something which, you know, if you want to lose weight, okay, which I realized after doing all these activities, you know, that I didn't just eat anything at any time. It was like whenever I felt hungry, I used to eat. So in the morning I used to get up, I take 1 glass of water, 1 glass or less, still I'm trying to improve there, and then I just take some, you know, nuts, almonds and all, and then I go for the walk, 3-kilometer walk. I come back and then I take some healthy breakfast. Okay, so, and after that, you know, after some time I do yoga. So that's my routine, morning routine, and I can say this is the time which I give to myself for physical activity, or, yoga, meditation. For my mind also I'm doing. So it's balances out, you know, your work, your mind, stress what we take every day in our work, or you know, in our personal or professional life, any stress. So it helps, you know. I'll not say it solves all the issues, but it helps in making your mind stable, your health also, your mind also stable, so that you can take good decisions, you know, or the right decisions in your life. So that's it for today. I hope today's video will help you somewhere, you know. And all the best, take care of your health, and next video will be coming out soon. So till then, bye bye, take care.